Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a professional membership website using WordPress. No coding required. You will be able to log content, charge members, and manage subscriptions easily. Let's dive right in. So, first of all, what you need to build your membership site, you'll need a WordPress website, self-hosted, not WordPress.com, a good membership plugin. We will use MemberPress for this demo. MemberPress, and we will use Namecheap for self-hosted. Optional payment gateway like Stripe or PayPal. Now install WordPress dashboard. Sign into your account. Go to Appearance, then Themes. Install a clean theme like Astra or Cadence. Just search Astra and activate it. Then customize your home page. You can create pages like home, blog, courses, or content, members area, login, or register. Now go to plugin section from your WordPress dashboard. Upload the membership plugin. Click member plus press. MemberPress plugin, you will need a license, then activate it. Now go to MemberPress settings and add your payment methods like Stripe, PayPal, etc. Set your registration and thank you pages. Go to MemberPress, then click Memberships. Click Add New. Set your membership plan, name like Basic or Pro. Price 0 for free, $0 for free, or set a monthly or annual fee. Access duration, lifetime, recurring, etc. Then save and publish. Go to memberpress.apps and then rules. Create a new rule. Choose what content is restricted, entire category, specific page, or post. Assign it to a membership label. Example, only pro members can access premium courses category. This is how you log content behind a paywall. Now set up and login presentation. Create a page called register. Add a member, press shortcode like that. MEPR. M membership registration registration firm ID equal to 123. Replace 123 with your plan ID. Create a login page using member m using MEPR log login form. Link these pages in your navigation menu. Now users can sign up and log in easily. Go to member page, then click settings, then emails. Customize welcome emails, payment receipts, and reminders. Enable email notifications to admin when someone joins. You can also set up a member dashboard page showing users their account, billing, and subscriptions. Now let's talk about WordPress features. User-friendly dashboard, intuitive admin panel for creating pages, posts, menus, and more. Themes and customization, thousands of free and premium themes, full site editing, FSE for block-based customization, block editor, Gutenberg, drag and drop, content blocks, text, images, buttons, columns, etc. Plugins, over 60,000 plugins, SEO, security, e-commerce, performance, etc. Mobile responsive themes and designs are responsive by default. SEO friendly, clean permalink structure, metadata control, and SEO plugins like Yoast are rank math. And that's how you create a full featured membership website with WordPress using MemberPress. You now have login forms, pricing plans, restricted content, and automated payments all set up and ready to grow your online community. If you want a tutorial on how to sell digital products or courses with your membership, let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.